Alam niyo ba guys na bukod sa pag-glow up nyo, itong Ohio Tokyo X Lumin White Glutathione Plus Collagen Supplement has vitamin C at saka zinc which helps sa ating immune system. 'Di ba? Plus guys, i-problem nyo ang inyong hair at inyong nails, meron din siyang kasama na biotin na 2 milligrams. Kaya naman guys, total package talaga yung glow up na ibibigay niya sa'yo. At hindi lang yun guys, may care din siya sa inyong immune system. And also guys, to highlight, meron din siyang 6 certification. Kaya naman guys, you can check this product, okay? So, hindi lang siya isa, hindi lang siya dalawa. Kung hindi 6 ang certification nitong Ohio Tokyo X Glutathione Plus Collagen Supplements na to. Guys, this is also made and formulated sa Japan. Kaya naman sure kayo na quality and effective talaga yung products na to. Kaya kung self-care talaga ang hanap nyo, go and check this out!